The true measure of the Simply Homey tiny house is not found in its limited physical dimensions or engineering complexity, but rather in its extraordinary success at finding a perfect equilibrium, a living space that inherently communicates a feeling of effortless correctness. This particular mobile dwelling stands as a supreme example of how to successfully reconcile the severe spatial constraints of a transportable structure with the approachable, friendly aesthetic of mid-century modern MCM design. It deliberately avoids the often encountered cold, impersonal atmosphere of aggressively modern small homes by prioritizing an inherent tactile sensibility and profound, enduring sense of security. The core architectural principle guiding its creation is meaningful restraint, employing the MCM reverence for refined, utilitarian forms and organic components to engineer a home that is both exceptionally capable for daily routines and deeply reassuring for one's inner state. The outcome is an eminently usable haven that seamlessly combines elegant style with tranquility, proving that the most celebrated design is ultimately the one that feels most intuitively aligned and authentic to its occupants. The architectural methodology of this home is specifically geared toward generating an unobstructed, logical flow that maximizes every inch of utility without permitting a sense of disorder. It intelligently co-opts the open concept planning and refined linearity, fundamental to mid-century modernism, to circumvent the structural limitations inherent in a small volume. Access to natural illumination is treated as a paramount design resource. Large-scale windows and judiciously placed high-level glazing ensure the entire space is continuously suffused with daylight, which in turn dramatically enhances the perception of airiness and spaciousness. Interior furnishings are consistently low-slung, epitomizing classic MCM profiles with their signature tapered legs and geometric clarity, thereby minimizing visual obstruction while simultaneously offering superior comfort. Furthermore, the meticulous incorporation of streamlined, frequently concealed built-in storage is non-negotiable, upholding the uncluttered aesthetic of the style while seamlessly accommodating necessary belongings, guaranteeing the home maintains its Simply Homey identity and is always prepared for spontaneous use. The deeply welcoming character of the Simply Homey interior is largely an outcome of its rich, comforting material selection, which deliberately draws inspiration from the natural world and the optimistic hues of the mid-20th century. The prevailing sensory anchor is the widespread presence of natural wood finishes, often showcasing the warm, deep grains of walnut, the rich clarity of teak, or the pale elegance of oak, utilized across cabinet fronts, flooring, and decorative features. This pervasive wooden texture acts as a vital visual and physical grounding element, banishing any sense of austerity. Accent colors are introduced with great deliberation, strictly adhering to the iconic MCM color vocabulary, including deep saffron yellow, mossy olive green, intense azure blue, or spicy russet orange. These impactful shades appear on sumptuous textiles, layered area rugs featuring understated patterns, and artfully chosen ceramics providing strategic visual interest. The expert layering of soft components, such as fine leather, chunky woven throws, and rich linen on all seating surfaces is paramount to the homey atmosphere, ensuring the space is not merely beautiful but tangibly alluring and physically soothing, perpetually inviting moments of repose and calm. Ultimately, the profound charm of this mid-century tiny house is intricately bound to the deliberate, simplified, and deeply rewarding quality of life it facilitates. Choosing this residence signifies a conscious pivot away from the pressures of consumer excess toward an existence focused on meaningful experiences, lasting quality, and personal fulfillment. By embracing the durable, timeless quality inherent in the MCM aesthetic, the home intrinsically supports a more responsible and sustainable mode of habitation, favoring longevity over disposable trends. The minimal size, when paired with the highly efficient design,